Hey, and welcome to the weekly manifesting report for November 4th through November 10th, 2019. I'm so excited to share this week's messages with you. We are totally in Mercury retrograde. Mercury retrograde is in full effect. Can you feel the energy? It might feel a bit frustrating this week. Things might feel a little bit scattered and like, you just want to scream. But it's all good because it's really a powerful time for manifesting this week because we are building up to the 11/11. In fact, Mercury retrograde is always a good time for manifesting because it's all about getting you totally into alignment with what your heart and soul truly desire. It's getting you into alignment with your big goals and dreams, looking at what do you actually want to do, especially with the rest of this year and the rest of this decade. You know, there's only 8 more weeks until the end of this decade. So this week is such an important time to really check in with yourself, check in with your heart, check in with your soul, and ask yourself, how do you truly desire to spend the rest of this year, the rest of this decade? There is plenty of time to get a lot of stuff done. There is plenty of time to manifest some big things in your life. And this energy building up to 11/11, the 11/11 portal, one of the most magical manifesting portals of the entire year, and it gets more powerful and more magical every year, is supporting all of this week. So take some time to really look at what it is you want to do and go after your dreams. There are no more excuses. There's no more waiting. Now is the time. Now is the time. Now is the time. And if you are a spiritual coach or healer and you want to finish this year with the most amazing results and to be in the best position to make 2020 the best year for your business ever, then I have something very special that you'll want to check out. If you haven't already heard, the doors to my new 6-week program, Soulful and Spiritual High-Ticket Sales, are open. And tomorrow, Tuesday, November 5th, is the last day to get the early bird bonuses, including a free bonus 1-to-1 45-minute coaching and healing session with me, valued at $400. Every single person who signs up by tomorrow at midnight gets this special offer, along with a bunch of other bonuses. So check that out. The link is below. Okay, so go ahead and choose numbers 1, 2, or 3, or any combination of those, and let me know what you chose below, and let's go ahead and get started. If you chose number 1, your message is it's time to have courage and be bolder than you ever have before. So this is all about stepping out of your comfort zone, pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone, and really committing and deciding that now is the time for you to boldly claim your desires, boldly claim your soul's truth, boldly step forward and tell the universe, tell yourself, declare it, that you are no longer playing small, that you are ready for the next level, that you are ready to claim your divine birthright of infinite abundance, wealth, and prosperity, and freedom, and fulfillment, and joy, and love. It's time to have all of this, and you can have it all. There is seriously no limit to what you can create in your life. The first step is deciding and committing and then taking some action on it. So it's time to be bold and be courageous and go after your dreams, or even better yet, magnetize them to you. It's time to stop sitting on the fence and taking some action steps this week, even if they're small steps, to declare to the universe. That shows the universe how committed and determined you are. And when you start putting those steps in place, when you start getting the energy flowing and in motion, the universe will meet you where you are and take care of the rest. When you show up boldly and courageously, the universe is going to rearrange things to make it possible for your dreams to come true. Okay, those are the messages for number 1. Let me know if you chose number 1 in the comments below and how the messages resonated with you. If you chose number 2, the message is you know in your heart what you're meant to do. So this is all about trusting yourself, trusting that you know in your heart and in your soul what is right for you, what the next steps are, what the answers are that you're looking for. So this is all about stopping looking outside of yourself for the answers, for fulfillment, for joy, for whatever it is, for validation. This is all about going within and trusting that you know what you know yourself best, and trust that you have all the answers inside of you. You know what is best for you. If you're feeling stuck with getting clarity, if you're feeling a bit confused, which we all can feel at various times, and you're feeling it difficult to connect with yourself, connect with your heart, connect with your soul, and get those strong answers, then you can call upon Archangel Uriel and ask him for clarity to help you get these answers. You can also journal it out. Journal out whatever is coming up for you, any feelings of frustration, stuckness, confusion, all that kind of stuff. And another way that you can connect with this and start to feel into what is right and what the next steps are is whatever feels restrictive, whatever feels icky, whatever feels stressful, whatever feels draining, whatever makes you feel like you're going to contract and you just want to run and hide and it doesn't feel good and it feels like the thought of it feels stressful and draining and exhausting, that's when you know that that's a no, that's not truly what you want to do. That's not truly what you desire. When you tune into whatever it is that you're thinking of, or any projects or tasks or the next steps, and it feels expansive, it feels uplifting, it feels freeing, you feel excited, you feel joyful, you feel like, oh my God, this could be the most amazing thing ever, even if it terrifies you, even if you feel a bit scared of it, as long as there's that uplifting, expansive energy underneath or around it, that's when you know that's what you're meant to do, okay? That's how you can start to tune into this. And just trust that you truly do know what to do and that you are being guided on your path. So those are the messages for number 2. Let me know if you chose number 2 and how the messages resonated with you. If you chose number 3, there is no such thing as failure. There truly is no such thing as failure. Everything that you're learning, everything that you're doing, everything that you're experiencing is all helping you. It's all a learning process. No experience is wasted. Nothing you're doing is wasted. You can never truly go wrong because everything that you're doing, everything you're experiencing is leading you to the next step on your path. You are exactly where you need to be right now at all times. And when you trust this, and when you trust yourself, to that you know what's right for you, when you trust that you're always being guided on your path, then it takes the pressure off. This is all about taking the pressure off of yourself to be a certain way, to have a certain level of success, to achieve things by a certain time frame. Just take all that pressure off. And what's connected with that pressure too is an understanding that your self-worth, your identity, has nothing to do with your successes, has nothing to do with your failures even, has nothing to do with what you are achieving. It's all to do with you just being worthy just as you are, you being amazing just as you are, you being totally accepted and loved just the way you are, because you are good enough the way you are. And when you feel that way about yourself and when you focus on that, it takes all the pressure off. And conversely, ironically, it actually allows you to be in the flow of manifesting and achieve your goals and dreams so much faster, because you're in the flow, you're feeling expansive, you're feeling uplifted, you love yourself, you know that you are exactly where you need to be, you know that you are good enough the way you are, and then lo and behold, you achieve the levels of success that you desire and more, and better than that, better than you could ever imagine. Okay, so those are your messages for number 3. Let me know if you chose number 3 and how the messages resonated with you in the comments below. So those are all the messages for this week. Have an amazing week building up to this 11/11 energy. Feel the magical energy and enjoy it. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Sending you so much love, light, and blessings. I'll see you guys back here next week. Bye.